Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be filming this makeup look along with a few tips on how to look good on a Zoom meeting or like a FaceTime call, whether it be with someone special, a girls' night, or just like a work meeting. I'll be going through my makeup tips and a few other little special ones, so stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Starting off with my trusty Marc Jacobs. And this foundation is really good because it has like a yellow undertone, which is really great for when you're on camera. I usually just apply this with my fingers. Next, my Covergirl TruBlend Undercover Concealer. So this is when you can choose whether you want to put powder on, which I would recommend, just because the bright lights and everything, it can kind of make you look a little bit oily. And just like anywhere that you usually get oily on your face. So you can already tell like a huge difference. For some blush, you just kind of want something rosy tone that looks natural. You don't want anything too sparkly at all. Like I would definitely stay matte. Just like dust it. So now with highlight. I use this Becca one, it's called Moonstone. You have to be very strategic with the placement because you don't want to look like overly glowy. Because like I know that when we usually go out, it's like the more glow the better, which I would normally agree with. But for being on camera, you can already tell it kind of looks like I have a glow a little bit without even having any highlighter. So you definitely want to be very strategic when using it. A little goes a very long way. Today, I'm gonna do a red lip, so I'm gonna stick with something kind of neutral tone for my eyes. I'm gonna be using my trusty Tartelette. Honestly, like, it's my go-to palette for like anything, but I'm gonna mix Flower Child and Charmer and just place this all over the lid. Then I'm gonna go in with Smarty Pants just for like an all over, like kind of in the crease color. Just start in the outer corner, going in like little circles, dragging it into the inner corner. Then I'm gonna go in with Rebel and Jet Setter. Unfortunately, this is the only brush I have at this house, so I'm gonna have to kind of make do. So, multi-usage. And then this will give a really nice depth to your crease. You can even drag it inward a little. And you see that color placement? That's what you want, and then you're gonna go in and blend. Not all at the same time. Now we're gonna go in with the blending brush. Just blend these babies out. See, it leaves it looking pretty natural while still like popping your eyes. For brows, you wanna go a little bit darker than you usually would, just like a teeny bit, just because the light kind of like washes it out a little. Because you can already see it kind of looks like I ain't got no brows, but I do. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows I'd be more than happy to make a video to show you guys. I'm gonna do a wing today, just because I'm feeling snazzy. It's Wine Wednesday, people. So I just usually draw a line like straight from the outer corner to the end of my eyebrow. It's kind of like on an angle. I think they look pretty even. I almost completely forgot the inner corner.
Putting a little bit of highlight on the inner corner is such a great way to get more sparkle to your eye. Just like a nice, like, shiny shade can be so elegant.
Now, last but not least, I wanted to do a red lip, but I don't usually do this without a lip liner, so bear with me here. We're gonna see what happens. So here's the finished makeup look for your Zoom date. The reason why I chose red lips is because the color red actually makes males think that you're more attractive. So if you are going on a date, that's something to think about, you know? Plus, who doesn't want to look like, you know, one of those like old bombshells? So now on to the real tips. So tip number 1, makeup. We already went through it. Hair. I would highly suggest using like a nice moisturizing oil so that your hair looks like healthy and lush, like no matter how you have it styled. Like it's always just nice to have like a little shimmer in there. I'll link down below the products that I use for my hair because I really, really like them, and you know, why not share with the world? Tip number 3, lighting. Always have a light like coming at you, whether it be like a ring light, just like a random lamp, or natural lighting. Natural lighting is obviously always the best. And you have to be really careful where you're facing the light because you don't want it to be like blocked by your phone or your computer. So just be mindful of that. Like you don't want to cast a shadow. You want to make sure that it's like kind of all around. Tip number 4 would be placement of your phone or camera. You don't want to have, here, let me grab it. You don't want to have your phone like this because like, bruh, this is not flattering at all. If you have like double chin, might not be very good for you. I would highly recommend having the phone or camera like further away from you, like rather than close, because like, I mean, sometimes it's nice to check out your makeup, especially when it looks like this. But just kind of have it level or up, like those two. Never down, always level, or a little bit higher up, minus the shadow. Ignore that. And sometimes it helps using a tripod. So you might want to invest in one. I mean, who knows how long this quarantine period is going to be, so might as well. And so yeah, I guess those are my tips for today. I hope that anyone who's dating over Zoom is having good luck. But for you guys who just want to like look good on a meeting or like look good for a girls' night, I mean, for a meeting, I'd probably ditch the red lip unless it was like a really, really like important, like I'm getting a raise meeting. You know what? It's always nice to dress up, especially when we're all stuck inside, you know, might as well like try to just do our normal routine for when we have these social calls over Zoom or whatever that might be. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below what you guys want to see next, whether it be like a brow tutorial, whatever sparks your mind. So yeah, I hope you guys all have a great week, and I'll see you next time.